Hi, everybody. We want to talk a little bit about target markets today. So often, students in class will say, oh, Wawa, everybody goes to Wawa. Oh, Target, everybody goes to Target. Oh, Nikes, everybody buys Nikes. But in all reality, even though those companies are super happy that you feel like everybody shops there and everybody buys their product and everybody goes there to get coffee and different things like that, the actual truth behind it is that every single one of those companies, products, or services that we just mentioned, every single one of them is going to have a target market that they're going to be shooting for. So does that mean if they have a target market that that's the only people that they hope ever come there? Definitely not. What that means is that they're trying to aim at this specific group or a couple specific groups to actually come to eat at their restaurants, shop at their stores, go to their websites, buy their products, buy their books. They've got these different groups, but they definitely know that other people are going to come in that they're not specifically targeting. So they've got a specific idea that they're going to be aiming for. And that's what we want to take a look at today. So if you have that in your head, that everybody goes to Wawa and everybody goes to Target, that's just definitely not the case. So today we're going to look at 6 different things about the customer for a company. So 6 different things that are about the customer of the company, not the actual company, but who the company is hoping is their target market. So the very first thing that we've got right over here is who are they? This is basically going to be the demographics. Are they adults? Are they children? Are they teens? Do they work? Are they in school? Are they in college? All these different things. Let's take a look to the right. We also kind of want to know a little bit about what do these consumers actually do? What do they do with their free time? Where do they like to shop? Do they have any activities or passions or hobbies? So that's going to be known really as psychographics, is how we actually say that in business. What are things that these consumers like? The next one right down here is going to be where are they? This is going to be geographics. And again, it's so often because of Amazon, we're like, oh yeah, you can ship a product anywhere and it'll get there within 24 hours. Well, in reality, Amazon is gigantic, but for a smaller startup company that's maybe more local or more regional, it's not really that easy to get all of your distribution to be able to ship nationwide or even international. So for a lot of businesses and restaurants in particular, it's a really big deal where our customers are going to be located. Moving to the right, what we also want to think about is those people that are going to shop at our store. We really want to think again about what actually appeals to them. Do they care about free shipping? Do they like coupons and discounts, or are they actually just going to come here no matter what the price is? Do they actually prefer expert information? Maybe they don't really care too much about a coupon, but they love it whenever you have like special guest hosts that take over your social media or a little something like that. And then in some cases, sometimes different consumers really like prizes and giveaways and raffles. So we need to be thinking what makes sense with the consumers we want to shop at our company. Bottom left-hand corner, we want to think about how connected they actually are. So think about the difference between you and I. There's a really good chance that we both use social media. There's a really good chance that maybe 1 or 2 of the platforms that we use probably overlap, but there's also a really good chance that you're probably using different social media than I am. And even within those different social media platforms, we are probably not following the same stuff. So because we're going to be in 2 different generations and also 2 different target markets. So for you and for I, we're very connected. We're on our phone probably more hours a day than we would like to admit. We're super connected. But then stop for a second and I want you to think about your grandparents. So that's probably going to be older than I am, but think about your grandparents. And how much are they on their computer? Or are they on social media? Or do they even care about their computer that much? Probably not. My parents aren't really too worried about what's going on with their computer. And the very last one, we want to take a look on the right. What is it that they actually like to do online? We know that your generation does everything online, and they're totally fine with that. Because I'm a little bit older than you, my generation does a lot online, but quite a few of my friends would have few of these things that they would just like to do off of the computer. Like read, for example. I would really just rather pick up a book and read. Also connect. Of course, I love to connect online, but if you really ask me what I like best, I kind of just like to hang out with my friends face to face rather than, meeting online or something like that. So not everybody is always the same. We really have to think about what they want. So this whole lesson today is thinking about a company and then really thinking about what the target market for that company actually likes. To finish your activity, you're going to be looking at details for Target. It is Target like you're thinking, the retail shop. There are going to be some different things in there, and your questions are going to be all about trying to match up these different segments of a target market with examples for Target. Good luck to you. Reach out if you have any questions.